Hello all, Thomas Merrick here to record another video from my series Unprocessed Reviews. So today we will be reviewing this little bad boy here. So this is, I think, Thai chili pepper or a bird's eye chili. I think typically they'll have anywhere from 50,000 to 100,000 Scoville Heat Units, depending on variety. I don't know exactly which variety this is, but I do know it's a Thai chili pepper, and this is one of the ones that's more renowned for heat. So, yeah, I'm going to eat this and tell you how it goes. I'll start out with the tip. Immediately, a little bit of heat. Not as intense as something like a Carolina Reaper, but I haven't gotten to the seeds yet. Maybe around like a habanero, close to something like that. Definitely hotter than a jalapeno. You can kind of see some of the seeds in there. Best not to talk while swallowing, but basically, yeah. As far as flavor goes, it is very flavorful, somewhat fruity, peppery. Tastes good, and that's one of the other reasons they use it in Thailand for cooking, is that it actually tastes like really, really good. And yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, it is definitely spicy. I have personally a pretty good tolerance for heat. I have eaten whole raw Carolina Reapers before. I use Carolina Reaper powder to season food sometimes. But this is a pretty spicy pepper, and it's very enjoyable. Grown kind of organically here, no pesticides, organic fertilizer. So yeah, this sort of stuff is good. And yeah, this is kind of what's left. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. I would rate this pepper 10 out of 10.